Greetings from Hyderabad. At the very onset, I would like to thank Madam Vasundhara Raghavan for giving me this opportunity to talk during your 4th anniversary celebrations. Congratulations for this event. So I talk about my patient, Mr. ZT, who actually came to our clinic in Nagaland, where his doctors told him that he has got chronic kidney disease because of diabetes mellitus. Mr. ZT's reaction initially was very distressed. He was very anxious and he considered multiple options of therapy, and he was pulled every side by his family. Initially, though, he went back to his initial doctor and told the doctor, and the doctor said, Mr. ZT, please start your allopathic medicines and I'm giving you a prescription. He accepted it. But then later he went and talked to his family, and the wife told him, shall we start alternative medicines? So what Mr. ZT did is he met with his faith healer in his village and started alternate medicines. This continued for many years. He actually missed his initial doctor's appointments, and over the years he developed uremic symptoms. Now he again goes back to his first allopathy physician. And when he is with his first doc, again the same question which we all face, what shall I do now? And this time his good doctor advises that, boss, it is a little late to even consider retarding your chronic kidney disease. So you need to consider dialysis and or transplantation. This time Mr. ZT is wiser and he follows his doc's advice. His friend had got a transplant in our hospital and he travels all the way from Nagaland for our opinion. His family supports him in his decision and his younger daughter gives a kidney. He is now recovering well. His journey through all these years contains an important message which he wants to share with all of us.
Symptoms, your health was worsening, or what did you feel?
No, actually, sir, my health is not improving. So I just stopped.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you started another treatment.
Yeah. So after I came here, I took the medicine, but as I told you, no medicine is available in the country, and that medicine also I stopped. So in the month of March 2021, I became more serious.
November 2021.
Yeah, 2021, I become more serious. Swelling, abdomen, pain, everything is serious. So again, I went to my doctor and we make a creatinine level check. During that time, my creatinine level has come up to 10.1. And my doctor told me that don't stop here, you go straight to Yashoda. Otherwise, your kidney is going to be failure. You change your transplantation and live in a normal life like this. And so that I straight away came here in the month of November this year. 25th November, I was admitted here and made dialysis for 5 times. Till that time, my healing is not yet complete. Fortunately, my second daughter, she willing to give her kidney to me, and I made a decision. And then again, we admitted here December 6, and then 7, we transplant my kidney. Now, after transplantation, I'm quite okay. I hope my kidney transplantation is success. Yes.
So, what would you advise all people like you, like people who are suffering from similar health complaints, what type of treatment they should take and how regularly they should see the doctors? Because you have been suffering from 2008 with diabetes and you are taking different forms of medicines. So you share your experiences.
Yeah, actually, if anyone develop this kind of disease, we must regular checking and we must take doctor's advice. We should not take our own way.
So we get relevant information and then we sort of find our opinions. Then we weigh all options. then we look for societal support, and then we sort of believe whatever our religion, trust and believe on God. And then with all this information with us, we fight back. We fight back against our illness. But if you notice, I have not put the first strategy, which is very important, and that is a rational thought process and thinking and requirement of a rational decision making. So this is what Mr. Zetti lacked. And finally, after a years together, he agreed to and came back to allopathy, and now he is doing well. So I thank you for your kind attention.